Welcome to another beat challenge where I attempt to make a beat in a certain amount of time. Today it is going to be a 20-minute beat challenge where I can only use my mouth. I'll be using post-processing like effects, but that will be the extent of it. So we have 20 minutes on the timer. Let's begin. For the majority of this, I'm just going to be using Edison to record these mouth noises. Boo. Okay, so I'm going to drag my sample into new tone, and then I'm going to quickly try to pitch. Variation off. I don't need any of that beginning part, and I don't really need that end part. Okay, I'm going to try to move quick because that last beat challenge, I definitely could have moved faster. Put that there. Okay, sound goodizer. I'm going to add equalizer and some reverb. Your instrument, and you go over here and you throw an envelope on it. Let's tap out of tempo. How long did one instrument take? 5 minutes? What's going on? Okay, Edison. Okay, pitch correct it. Now the reason I bring it to C is then I know that I'm on C so that when I play the notes, they're correct. Throw that on there. No reverb on this one. Just for the interest of time, I'm just going to leave a lot of this simple. Okay, 2 instruments. Okay, another 3 minutes. Let me get like one more sound. Okay. Let's see, blur, yep, blur, preview. Sure, throw it in a new tone. Let's put this here. Okay, let's clean up. All I did was hold down escape and it cleared all that stuff. Add some stereo separation. I feel like this is going to be the last instrument before drums. So we're halfway done. I'm going to have to just fix that in post. Now I'm going to start adding drums. Okay, this should be good enough to pull from. We do have 5 minutes, so I would like to do more of a full tutorial on this because this stuff is actually a lot of fun when you're not when you're not just racing against the clock. If I had more time, I would make it more complex, but 4 minutes. Let's get at least a kick and a snare, right? Make it a full beat. And usually you would sit and try to distort these sounds a little bit more so that they would sound a lot better. Fade it out. Pitch it up. Pitch it down. Now I would want to normally layer this. And in fact, I'll just clone this. And I'll pitch this one up. So there's the snare. Let's get that kick in. There we go. I don't have time to choose. There's the kick. Oh, we got a minute and a half. Clowning. Yeah, that's time. All right. Oh man. So yeah, I definitely wish I could spend like an hour or more doing stuff like this, because when you really tweak these things, it's cool to see what you come up with. But you know, you only got 20 minutes, so you just roll with what you got. So just like last time, let's do a little beat breakdown here. Not much to break down, but here's the chords. For being just like a simple one noter out of my mouth, it's kind of a fine synth. And then there was the bass ish. Yeah, that's fine. This was the kind of like lead. Man, I sure am glad I gave myself 20 minutes instead of 15, because I wouldn't have gotten much done at all. Hats, snare, kick. Yeah, I wish there wasn't as much mouth noises in there, which I didn't even get a chance to equalize this. I would have done like a low pass. So just like last time, I'm going to give it a mix, and I'm not going to add anything. I'm not going to add new instruments or MIDI information. I'm just going to basically stay in this mixer right here. So I'll give it a mix and then we'll take a listen. So now it's just a little bit later and I mixed the beat. So let's take a listen. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.